Kia ora and welcome. It's your boy Marcus, fueling it up, 60 big buckaroos in the tank. Like that song from Coldplay, it's a wonderful bloody day. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button as if it was Auntie. Shit, and we're off. With a big mana wave to Paikakariki, we are off to Wellington Speedway to go behind scenes as part of A&L Fireworks team. For those who definitely dislike fireworks, this one's for you. Today is November, Guy Fawkes Fever, and we are celebrating the remembrance of colonization. Sweet. This is my dad, and we love fireworks. So that's enough from me. Sit back, grab you a cuppa, and enjoy the scenery. As you can see, it's a make it day. Let's go. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. We call him Fred. We'll call him Fred today. Like that there. Hey, sweet. Yeah, I know. We'll call him Fred. Fred told me to go down there where Joseph's going. Hey, Joseph. We don't go down there. Whoa, look at that Hilux. Look at that Hilux. That's beautiful. One screen. What you up to, Jeffrey? Oh no, his name's Joseph, that's right.
Yeah, where's he going? Go that way.
There's some Maoris.
Oh, hang on.
There's some Maoris. Oh, look at this. Look at you. Uncle, what are you doing, mate?
Oh, you must be able to get past.
Are you here for
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Are you with the guy that was in here earlier?
Alan?
Yeah.
That's our team.
So this
do we
is
know?
Oh, because I got a big sign that's been up here
Yeah,
for the
big
past
sign.
same sign for the last 20 years.
Do you know where he is?
4 o'clock.
Yep.
4 o'clock.
Same place for the last 20 years.
Yeah, same place for the last 30 years. Thank you.
Thank you. Kia ora, guys.
Are you sure? Are you late? No, it's 4 o'clock.
That's a perfect sign of racism.
That was a perfect sign of racism.
There's everybody, it's all the racists. These are all the guys racing.
Yeah, we here, baby.
All the guys we don't really get to see during the day. Oh, where am I off to? This way. '66 522. Buy you a raffle. Get you a raffle, Mr. 522. NZ raffle. All you guys, get you some raffles.
Hey.
Where are we off to? Where are we?
Is that a truck? Oh, it's got goodies.
Oh, it's got goodies on it. That's goodies. So, just try and catch scenes without people's faces. Woo! The fireworks, explosives. own private property. Kevala. It's alright, we'll feed you all. Don't worry about that stuff. We'll feed you all. Cook like ants. I need to catch people. I want to catch people being stupid.
Did you get any trick-or-treaters coming around? Still? No, didn't they? Oh, lucky you. The only time of the year we're allowed to get rolls away for free. Nasty. Yeah. Alright, what have we got coming up next, Andrew? Race cars. Race car? Yeah, I know. Comes with wheels. It does. No, it's stock cars. Brought to you by Chemical Property and Spa. No, it's not. It's a no.
The jet legs, dance floor filler. This would have been a sweet time at Sugar Club.
This part will be blurred for education purposes only. Sorry about the mess. It's all good. Last step.
Lighting up the dirt, it's the Skylight Specialists, TQ Midgets, bursting from the Renee Williams video and into the spotlight.
47 something showers, not too sure how many, but a few showers. Doesn't say exactly how much on the box. Yeah. Everything happened? My mum. I love my mum. Love your mum. Love your mum. If you don't, something wrong with you. Love your mum. We're gonna go and have some Chinese ice. Bit of meeting with Ja. Sitting me straight, you know what I mean? I'm lagging. Feed Joa, where are you? Cook like auntie. Put down aunties. The other way.
Any stock drivers listen up after the firework. Green wood
Settle down, auntie.
Where's your selfies though?
I don't know. Yeah. Watch out, don't block the mic and stuff.
Yep.
Looks to the back, son. Looks to the back.
This reminds me of a Roblox game. Off the go, jump off the fireworks.
And then some the people that can worry
And then circles. Do they play music when do they play music when you set off the fireworks or not?
Oh, it's bumpy. It's a bumpy one. That was a bit unexpected. go. Too much whanau. Yeah. Man. Yeah, I'll pull the pigs up. Look at this son of a gun. Oh, they wet them. Oh, Dad, they wet them. I don't think there's any in there now. Ah, it's just I got to tip them back over. You just bring that thing up for me. Take the. See, I stuck that tape on it so I wouldn't turn the. Yeah, your one's yeah, you clever. Another year, another successful time. Too much fun for tuning in. Over and out. So hello to the vlog team. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony.
I'm Niels.
Yeah.